Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. It's very easy. You have to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, open settings. You have to right click on the start icon and then select settings. Otherwise you can just use this search bar and simply type here settings and then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select these three lines and just select system. Now on this window you have to click on sounds, and from the input and output you have to select the microphone and make sure in a input volume you can change it. Make sure you set it up to the 100. You can also select the any format and you can simply test your microphone. Also you can use the other options from the sound to fix the issue. Then you can also use the pin command to fix this issue, and there is a last method. Just right click on the start icon, select device manager and expand the audio input and outputs. And for particular devices like input and output, you have to right click on the properties and select drivers and go to the update drivers. Make sure you are connected with the internet connection and select the first option. The best drivers will be installed automatically, and close the window. Also you can go for the speakers also, and there we go. Just restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. Please check out the pin comment.